Aloha, my name is Trigger. I live in Waianae. I'm a third grader at Kawehana Okinawa Public Charter School.
Aloha, my name is Ken Riley, and I'm from Waianae, and I'm a third grader from Kawehana Okinawa Public Charter School.
Aloha, my name is Adonaya, and I'm from Nanakuli, and I'm a third grader at Kawehana Okinawa Public Charter School. And today we're going to be performing a song we learned from Nahua Mene.
The song we're going to perform is Kulaiwi.
Makoko.
I.
Okahi makano ole